Imagine a car that is as stylish and versatile as it is sustainable. That's the Nissan Hyper Urban Concept crossover. With its sleek and modern aesthetic, lime yellow body color that changes hue depending on the light, and sporty silhouette, the Hyper Urban is sure to turn heads. But it's not just good looking. It's also incredibly efficient, thanks to its aerodynamic design and wide tires. The Hyper Urban's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. Inspired by kaleidoscopic triangles, the instrument panel and display can be customized to suit the owner's mood. The front seats can also collapse and fold into the back seats, creating a sofa-like, private relaxing space. This transformability makes the Hyper Urban ideal for a variety of uses. The Nissan Hyper Urban Concept crossover is the future of urban transportation. It's stylish, versatile, sustainable, and designed to last.